Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Substack for affiliate newsletter promotion step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Substack and press enter. Locate the official Substack website in the search results. Click on the link to open the Substack homepage. Once the page loads, find the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a strong password to secure your account. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. After creating your account, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Return to the Substack homepage and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Here, you can personalize your profile and newsletter settings. Choose a name for your newsletter that reflects your brand. Select a unique URL for your newsletter to make it easily accessible. Customize your settings to suit your affiliate marketing strategy. Consider enabling the subscription feature to monetize your newsletter. Start drafting your first newsletter by clicking the New Post button. Position your content strategically to promote your affiliate links. Add images or graphics to enhance the visual appeal of your newsletter. Once satisfied, click on Publish to share your first newsletter with your audience. Promote your Substack newsletter through social media and other platforms. Continue to create valuable content to attract readers and drive affiliate sales. Stay consistent with your publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged. Keep refining your strategies based on performance analytics provided by Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.